Where you going? 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 Come on. Where you going, boy?
Oh, my earring. You're not going earring. Yeah, I should put the other sweater on him. His nose is ice cold. Everybody's on the run. He wasn't talking so he came out here.
You left it in the middle of the road. You don't want to get in. Come on. Let him run around.
Get up.
Hey, go where you want to go. Where you want to go? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm following you. Where we going? Where we going? I'm right here. Look. Daddy right here. Come on. Oh. That's okay. That's okay. You good. You good. You good. You good. You good.
Look, baby, look. Hold on, put it on. It's cold.
Mommy said
Tie
you
his shoe.
called.
Tie his shoe. Double knotted. Double knotted. I always do.
Let's go. We out.
I want to show him this. Look. Look at it. Look at it. What's that? What is he doing? Look at it. Oh. What are they doing?
Yep, they've got an ear for music. Don't pull our ears. We got good news. The dawn is here. The farmer's gone. He went away. Gonna play some music and eat some hay. So stomp your feet, and clap your hands. Join in with all.
Put him down.
Farmer's come, he went away.
I'm chasing him. Go this way. No. Go this way. Go this way. Come on. Get up. Get up. Get up, boy.
He's walking. Come on, walk. Come on. Look, come on. To make them
Watch it.
You just say hi. He's looking at you like, what's up? He's looking at you like, what's up?
Where you going? Where you going? Where you running to? Where you running to?
Look at the chickens. Look at the chickens. I don't touch them. They bite. Don't put your finger in there.
Come on, let's go in here. Kiani, let's go in here. Come on. Kiani. Hey, where you going?
Man, hi. Hello, look at. Hello. Hi.
Say hi to the animals.
Yeah, what's over there? Over there. Oh, look, it's a bouncy. Come here. Look. What's this? Look, honey. Look, it's a bouncy. Look.
He said, bah.
Look, sit on it. Look. It goes bouncy, 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 bounce. Woo!
Say that.
I got boogies. You gotta go and come in.
Yes, he look good. Big old butt on camera.
Oh, look at her. Look at her.
Boo. Boo, what you doing? What's that? What's that? What's that?
Come on, baby. Hey, we gotta go explore. They said they got a big ass slide.
Come on.
He doesn't want to go Is it chickens?
No fun? Chickens no fun? You talking? You talking? You talking?
He wants to see. He don't want to push it back.
What's up? You chilling?
He wants to food.
You want to say something to the people? What you want to say? This your first time here. How you liking it? You enjoying yourself? You running around? You making your white sneakers get dirty? Huh?
For me. I'm going to come in. Let's go. Let's see what we can do. I want to be out there. Let's go. We're probably waiting for a show. Excuse me. Are they gonna do some show for me?
I'm just, everybody's sitting here talking.
Oh, all right. I'm gonna let them. Oh, $3.
See? Better put it back. Nothing free in America, nigga.
I know. But it was cool. It was just staring at it. You get like some things for $1 and I'm doing something. You know? That's funny. That's cute. Wait, should I get in there with him?
They literally turned this farm into a hangout spot and made some bread. Smart move. Smart move.
Look, this is the munchkin one, babe. Yeah, they don't let you just put it out there. We blow you away. $29, so they're that way. Rolling. Let's go to all these little houses. I hear something banging. Hi. Look it. Oh, we can go this way. Yay. Hi. You having fun? You keep looking at me like this. Hey, they're having fun. Baby.
Keani, what's that? What's that noise going off?
Look at this. Look at them. This is a cannonball. Huh. Oh, it's an apple. It's an apple. Hear me? They're shooting apples.
Yeah, do that. Yeah. Aim. Yeah. Aim, and then when you're ready, push that, and then shoot it with that. Yeah. Now let it go.
Apple shooting, guys.
You know what it's doing though? It's using all the apples.
You ain't with that, right? Lean back. Lean back. Lean back. Lean back.
Alright, let's go into the house here. There's the side room. There's the side. Oh, look, there's a bunch of sides, dude. I don't like how they got the gravel there, so. I thought it was there. I put it there, right? Could I? Do I quit? Hold on, let me see. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, that's the side? Oh, big girl.
Woo! Kiana, you wanna go? You wanna go?
I'll go with him though.
Come on. Come on, man.
Boy, go down the slide.